Hey everyone, enjoy the show. Mantiques Network, how you doing today? Maybe unusual offering here today. We normally don't sell parts or accessories like this, but we made one too many custom horse heads for our child's barber chair. So we are going to sell this one here. If you have a child's barber chair, it basically would hook on right on the front of the chair, or you may want to use it for something else, but these are very nicely done, hand carved from a lady that does all of our horses. You can take a look over here. We've got another one. So again, what we're selling is just the handheld or hand carved horse head that again would fit on the front of a barber chair like this, or you can use it for any other applications. This might be for you.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.